Welcome back. In today's class, we are going to be discussing we are going to be discussing everything that has to do with number basis conversion. Number basis conversions has to do with changing the base from one numerical value to another numerical value. And this thing can take place in various forms, but we are going to be talking about the fundamental aspect of this. But why do we do number basis conversion? The first thing we should understand is that computers use binary, but human read decimal. You should understand that computer understand only zeros and one, but humans will understand number in base 10, which we call the standard base. Programmers use these hexadecimals because it is shorter, then they convert it to binary that computer can understand. Why some math problem also requires to change from one base to another before it can be done. We have various forms of base conversion. There are three types, basically. The first one is from base 10 to other bases. For example, you may be asked to convert a number from base 110 to base 3 to base 2 to base. Are you getting me? From base 10 to other bases. Why we have conversion from other bases to base 10 as well? You can convert a number from base 2 to base 10, from base 5 to base 10. Then the last one is from one base to another. You can convert from base 3 to base 5 to base 7. Are you getting me? But the bitter truth about it is that you must pass through base 10 if you are converting from one base to another base, because base 10 is fundamental to all. So let us focus on the base 10 that we are talking about. So there are two types of conversion from base 10 to other bases. We have power of bases. We are going to discuss that. We're going to understand what we mean by power of bases. And the last one is continuous division. Continuous division works for all form of conversion, while power of bases is suitable for base 2 alone. So power of base 2 is what we want to discuss here right now. So under power of bases, this is the series of power of base 2 from 0 to base 8, and these are their various answers. So what do we want to do? We want to find the sum of all that answers, which is equal to what? 511. You may be asking, why do we need to find the sum? This is because we want to know the limit to which this solution can give us. If you stop at base 8, the maximum number that you can have is 511. So if you need to convert a number that is bigger than 511, you need to extend your basis. Are you getting me? So we want to do demonstration concerning this one and how it is used to convert one number from one base to another. So the first thing that you need to do is that they will give you a number. Let's say, for example, they give you 67 in base 10 to be converted to base 2. So how do we go about this? Given 67, you may be doing some kind of operations that require quick lookup. This will help you. You are going to look at numbers that their sum is up to 67 in this place. Are you getting me? Let's take, for example, I have 64 already here. To make it 67, I think I need 3. So this is 2, this is 1. What happened? From that point, from the highest number that you have the highest value down to where you have your least value, you are going to mark that range. So automatically 67 in base 10 to base 2. 64 is part of the number, you write 1. This guy is not part of the number, 0. This guy is not part, 0. This guy is not part, 0. This guy is not part, 0. This guy is part, 1 and 1. So if you convert 67 from base 10 to base 2, you are going to get 10000011. So this is the actual conversion. But if they ask you to convert 611 from base 10 to base 2, you still know that this cannot handle it. You need to extend to raise 2 raised to power 9, maybe 2 raised to power 10, this whatever, until you have a number that will actually handle this. So this is the fundamental of conversion from base 10 to base 2. You can use this one, are you getting me? And you can use what we call continuous division. You can use this one and you can use what we call the continuous division. So we are going to discuss continuous division in the next class. Why this is the end to this class, this is where you're going to stop. So you can try any other basis that their value is not up to this within this range, and you will see how it will give you the actual answer that you really want. We are still going to talk about base 16 and other important bases that has to do with this, and how easy we can convert them from the actual base to the required base. Thank you for listening. ABP.